Timbers that have been pressure impregnated with Tanalith wood preservative have a proven long-term protection against wood decay and insect attack. Before treatment, we carefully prepare our timbers, ensuring they are dried to a suitable moisture content. The treatment is industrially applied by our trained operatives using a proven vacuum and high pressure technology. Timbers are first loaded into the treatment vessel and the door is closed. An initial vacuum is applied and the timber cells are evacuated of air. The vacuum is held. The treatment vessel is flooded with Tanalith wood preservative. Hydraulic pressure is applied, forcing the preservative deep into the structure of the timbers. The preservative solution is then pumped back to the storage. A final vacuum extracts excess preservative solution, which is safely pumped back to the storage. The door is opened. Low pressure inside the timber draws in service preservative solution. The treated timber is virtually dry. Treated timbers are removed from the vessel and left to dry. Depending on the use class the timber has been treated to, the resulting tanalized timbers provide a high-performance, durable and sustainable construction material for fencing, decking, leisure wood, playground projects and general building applications.